Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Microsoft 365 license and having your account credentials ready. This avoids interruptions. Once signed in at Office, Com or in the desktop installer, choose the app suite you need and click Install. Make sure to enable multi-factor authentication if your org requires it, because it protects your data and compliance. If MFA prompts appear, use your phone or authenticator app. These first steps put you into the service quickly and securely, so you can begin configuring. Once done signing in, you configure core apps that you'll use daily. In Outlook, set up your mailbox, add a professional signature, and create focused inbox rules to filter noise. That saves time. Then install Teams, join the channels for your projects, and pin key chats. Save documents to OneDrive by default and organize shared content in SharePoint sites so permissions follow your team structure. Doing this establishes a single source of truth and reduces version conflicts across collaborators. To finish, set automatic file backup and syncing so you don't lose work, and confirm Office updates run on a regular cadence. You should create templates, planner tasks, and meeting policies in Teams to standardize workflows and save time. These small routines scale. If something goes wrong, first check OneDrive sync status and your sign-in credentials, then pause and resume sync or clear cached credentials. That resolves most issues. If errors persist, contact your admin for tenant-level settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.